Taas lagi, taas! Dako! Taas! Taas, pasensya ba? Dako kung pagigod.
So, na ako yung classmate na the same name niya. Pagpuan ako kay sa mga story niya ba. Pagpuan ako kay Gwapa kay sa tininchi ninyo. Sige, sige.
My Goy, my Bobby, my sunshine. Growing up, I always prayed to God to give me a sibling. Masuya ko sa ubang tao na naigsuon tungod kay I also want someone na makuyog na ako always ug asa ko ganahan mo adto. Ug kasaban sa ginikanan dungan mi managan. Na ako'y matsikhan sa mga butang-butang kay pinanimo pa ug dili mag-usap ang baba kay magtabi. In short, kasangga na ko sa tanan. Mag-away man usahay pero kay bawo ko dili ko biyaan.
What we wanted, not what we thought we wanted. Tossed in, you couldn't see it.
Oh, nagini. Ready na gid.
We did, not what we thought we needed. Don't give up. Don't give up.
Baby, before sa tanan, so I ultimately thank God in guiding us nga na-reach na to ni ang pinaka-important point in our life. And yeah, especially sa paghatag niya ni mo nako. So if maka-remember ka before sa katong early days sa atong relationship, di ba? We once talk or plan nga at the age of 28 nimo and 30 for me kay mo na tong desired age for us na ma-settle down.
From where riches flow, my heart is sure to follow.
Every suffering do na ginay
You can see
bunga nga happiness. Kung imong i-endure ang sufferings, do na ginay happiness afterwards. Nga matod pa ni St. Paul, the sufferings we endure today cannot be compared of the happiness we are going to receive.
we haven't let the new begin. Won't give up, won't give in.
And yep, indeed I think gi paminaw na ni Lord na to nga wish. And yep, before sa na I think ibaw ka nga I was wishing for nga unta na naimabot someone for me nga after pila ka long years nga wala ko someone.
Thank you. Ako nang gamis ng di mo gihatag. Uy, ikaw naman sunod. Wilak na siya doon. Ayaw na, nagtulo na yun. But as you know, sadly, wala na siya gigrant. One day, as I was scrolling on my TikTok, ako'y nabasahan. God always listens when we pray, and He wants what is best for us. He gives us answers, but they may not be what we'd hope for. Then I realized, tinuod bitaw sa, sometimes God doesn't seem to answer our prayers right away. We just have to wait because His timing is always perfect. Wala niya gihatag kung sa akong gusto, but niya gihatag kung sa'y mas best para nako.
John Fritz, do you take Cindy here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Second question, do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Final question, do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do. dili kayo smooth atong path nga giagian padong diri, but still I can say nga blessed gihapon tan duha kay bisan sa ups and downs, wala jud ta pasagdayon ni Lord. And I think ang mga trials nga gihatag niya, kay I think mao ni mag-drive sa toa as we journey sa kaning new na kuan sa atong life. Gidungog ni Lord ang atong desire and nabot na dyan yung point sa atong life. And I think before sad, di ba kabaw man ka nga dugay ra kong gampo nga unta na mabot nga someone, and I think I'm very sure nga ikaw na jud to.
Cindy, do you take John Fritz here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Second question, do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Third and final question, do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes. Bobby, God gave me you. You are my answered prayer. You are my biggest blessing. Today, I only not marry you. I also marry your dreams and your ambitions. I promise to support you in everything that you do. Wherever you go, I'll go.
Yeah, so as we approach in this new journey sa atong life as couple, so I think lisod jud, and there's no exact words if unsaon ako pagpa-feel akong love para nimo. Pero para madali na lang kay I will just use a quote sa atong favorite song nga, "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy in skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you." Simple lang yung words, but I think for me, it has a deep meaning. In other words, so my life is void without you in it. So thank you, and I love you for filling in as my sunshine.
I also want to thank you for everything that you do for me. Despite my shortcomings and imperfections, you still accept and love me as I am. Dili ta maabot diri karon kung dili tungod nimo. Kay bawo ka ana. Kung wala ka nang isog para natong duha, wala ta diri karon.
Ako sang i-promise nga maminaw attentively sa imong mga yaw-yaw. Though, kabaw ko nga dili na pangasaba, but para po sa atong kayuhan and to improve. And with that, I promise to improve my flaws. Bisan kabaw ko nga gi-accept ni nimo wholeheartedly, but I will try to improve it para at least mas smoother na tong path sa atong new journey.
I don't know how I deserve you, so thank you for marrying me today. Thank you for not giving up on me, on us. I can't imagine marrying anyone else beside you. You are my first and last everything. You are my best friend, my person, my present, and now my future.
And I will promise to work hard for our family and for our future. And lastly, I ultimately promise you to love you till the last breath of my very big nose. Ika nga should be for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. Not turfo do us part. I love you.
As what I've told you before, when we had our little chit-chat with Ate Chrislyn and Kuya Edos, I chose you, and I'll choose you over and over again, without pause, without a doubt, in a heartbeat, I'll keep choosing you. I love you.